दुनिया के सबसे चैलेंजिंग पासेस में से एक। A gateway to Pangi Valley in Chamba. Untamed, untouched and real. Himachal's last hidden frontier. यहाँ रास्ते हिम्मत मांगते हैं और हर मोड़ एक नई कहानी सुनाता है। Rivers roar louder and the journey itself becomes the destination.
Now we're presently at Pangi Valley, one of the most outstanding drive I've ever covered in India. I've traveled trans-India and one of the best, very well organized, very well conducted tour by Go Boundless, and we loved it. The drive was fabulous, very untouched valley in this sector. We hardly found any traffic in this road, and I suggest people to go with Go Boundless and try this route. Jai Hind and thank you.
Hi, I'm Sangeeta from Bombay, and this is my second road trip with Go Boundless. And this year now it's and Such Valley. The terrain is amazing. It's like a roller coaster ride, and the adrenaline rush is out of the world. And the way Vanita takes care, we are all taken care of. The entire convoy is together. Loads and loads and loads of fun. It's only the second day yet. I'll be able to tell more on the last day. But I'm having fun.
Welcome to Atal Tunnel.
Himachal's last hidden frontier. Here roads test your courage and every turn unveils pure beauty. Time slows down. This is not just travel. This is Go Boundless in Pangi Valley. Breathtaking and beyond imagination. हर एक मील में छुपी है एक कहानी. Once in a lifetime, you must experience this drive. Rustic, raw, and truly beautiful. A place where silence speaks and the mountains hold you close. Go Boundless in Pangi Valley.
Hi, so this is my third day of my Such Pass expedition, and we had a beautiful walk in the morning in the meadows.
कम से कम 10,500 फुट की ऊंचाई पर बैठे हैं। हमें करीब 25 से 30 मिनट यहाँ पैदल आने में लगा।
I am at 10,000 feet high at Sural Batori.
And पूरे जोश से हमारी पूरी टीम, we all came together, and my handsome boys are with me.
We have trekked till this Chambi waterfall.
And the waterfall was amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh my God.
I really enjoyed a lot. My 4.5-year kid trekked along with me.
I'm just so happy. I think everybody should come and experience this once in a lifetime.
And now we're enjoying.
The views are amazing. It's surrounded with lush green trees. So thank you, Go Boundless, for giving us this amazing experience.
The off-roading with Go Boundless.
Hello everyone, this is Vanita Kang, lead at Go Boundless. We are conducting a beautiful drive to Pangi Valley and Sach Pass. Believe me, this part of Himachal is rustic, offbeat and truly untouched. Very few people get to experience this incredible journey, while most travelers go to touristy places like Ladakh or Manali. One must also experience this hidden gem of our country. At Go Boundless, we follow a strict no littering policy. We request everyone to respect nature, not litter, and keep this beauty as it is. So do join us for this unforgettable experience to the most rustic part of the Himachal, which is Pangi Valley and Sach Pass.